Welcome, Tim Ard here. I hope you're having a great one. We just got back in last night from a super trip to Florida. We had 3 days that we worked with the Southwest Florida Water Management District and Wilderness Park. And so we were working with some sand pines there and some of their employees. We had refreshers for a couple days with some guys that have gone through probably about 7 or 8 years ago, some of them. And then we had a class of new folks, which were new employees for the past year. And we went down through our classroom portion in a pavilion there and then went out to the cutting site, dropped a tree, and we looked at some different pressures and binds and things. It was a great 3 days with that group. And then we headed over and we had 75 plus people with the Amsler Saw Shops field day this year. And we had disaster relief groups, a arborist from up in New York. I had a couple old friends drop by, Norm Hall and Craig Walker. And those are a couple guys from 30 and 40 years ago. And very, very glad to see them. They're kind of snowbirds now down into Florida. But them and their wives moved down and they're not too far from Brooksville. They came by to see me. I was very glad to see that. But we had some good questions yesterday from different things. Had some of the Southern Baptist disaster relief. We had some homeowners from the area, and we felled a tree and looked at a hanger and went through some things of sharpening and reactive forces and saw tuning and those kinds of things. It went very super. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Just wanted to give you a little recap of week 7 of 2023 and a few pictures and videos here. Hope you enjoy it. Y'all have a great one, and we hope to see you along the ForestApps road. Tim Ard here, wishing you good sawing. we're back at Newport Richey, Florida. We've got 3 days here with another session of the Southwest Florida Water Management District. Got 2 refresher days and then a group of new folks on Friday. We are going to be down a power line area outside of Wilderness Park. And we've got some I guess you call them sand pines to take down, used for the training. Refresher days are always fun because I've had folks in those from probably about 15 years ago or better. So we're looking forward to seeing everybody.